morning. We're going to seal coat this lot this morning. Behind me we have an SR 850 Extreme trailer. What we're going to do is we're going to go through the cut-in process first. So we're going to take the spray tip and the bushing out. We're going to pump the material down, and then we're going to go behind that with a broom, and then we're going to come behind the broom with a squeegee and get ourselves away from 2 foot from all the objects, the grass, the bumper blocks, and the concrete. We're not going to cut in against the road because we have to drive over that, and we don't want to track out onto the road. So we will cut in at last. But we're going to try to do all the cut in at first and spray, and then we'll have a little bit of the cut in to do so we can drive out. What we're going to do now is we're going to start agitating the machine. So we're going to start the motor, and we're going to let the agitator run for about 15 minutes. Normally, in my opinion, if you let it run 15 minutes, no matter what your mix design is, you should be fine. We've got the Honda engine running. Our compressor is already maxed out on 150 psi of air, and now we're going to turn the hydraulic control valve on and mix it inside the tank. Okay, we're getting ready to start the cut-in process. So we're going to turn our regulator down to around 5 to 10 psi, just so it just barely flows out nice and easy. We've taken our tip and our bushing out, and we're getting ready to start that process. We're going to cut this concrete in, and what you should see me do is I will have that 90, the back side of the 90, almost as close to the concrete as possible, and I'll try to put my sealer as close to the concrete as possible. Then what will happen is the broom guy will just get the sealer up against the concrete but not get any on it, and then the squeegee guy will pull all the sealer away and try to get us away 2 foot, and that's what we call cutting in. Okay, we've done all of our cutting in. We're getting ready to spray, and we should be done in a few minutes with the whole parking lot.